I'm always in a rush, sis. I don't know what it is. Me and time just we don't match. Hey sis, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I showed you guys a quick 10-minute makeup routine that will help you save some time and really achieve a flawless look like this one here. I did use 100% drugstore products as well, so this is definitely beginner friendly. So if you guys are interested in how I achieved this look and how I managed to get it done in 10 minutes, then of course just continue to watch. If you are new to my channel, sis, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Also hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. And without further ado, let's just get into this look. Alright sis, so the first thing we're going to start off with is our brows. Now our brows should be very quick and easy, so I recommend using something that you can quickly do your brows with. Now for me, I really have a lot of brow hairs to work with, so I don't have to do much to it, especially for a 10-minute look like this one today. So I am going to be using my NYX The Brow Glue. This is the tinted version. I did get mine in the shade black. So I like this product because it is a 2-in-1, and that is our expertise for today, guys, is using products that you can use for multiple benefits. So because this is a brow glue as well as a tinted product, it will allow me to fill in any sparse areas that I have with the tint, as well as kind of just sleek my brows in place. I'm going to just quickly use this to brush onto my brows today and just really shape up my brows. And I like to brush them in an upward motion. It just allows my brows to look really well put together and just really groomed. And before you go in with your brow product, I highly recommend just grooming your brows before anything. Okay, so now that they're in place, I like to go in with just a makeup wipe and kind of just clean off the outer areas of my brows. I only do this because there is always going to be extra product around your brows, especially if you're using a tinted brow glue. So this just helps to clean off all that extra product around the skin. All right, so the next step is having a primer. I am going to be going in with my Catrice Prime and Fine Keep Me Matte Primer. So I do have an oily T-zone. I like to just use products that help to combat my oils, especially for a quick makeup look. So I'm just going to apply this in my T-zone areas and just blend it out. This is going to prep my skin for the products we are going to be using today. And I love this primer because it's super affordable, guys. This is no more than $10, so it definitely won't break the bank, and definitely a product for beginners to keep in your kit. All right, so the next thing is your foundation. So I'm going to be going in with my Revlon Colorstay Longwear Foundation. This is the combination oily skin formula, and this is good for anyone who has oily skin or combination. So I am going to just apply a very light hand. I'm going to apply one pump to the back of my hand, and that's all we need for this 10-minute makeup look. And then I'm going to grab my blending brush and just lightly just apply it to my skin. So the goal for a 10-minute makeup look is we're not going full coverage. Just trying to create a look that is quick and easy to achieve while still looking well put together. All right, so we have our foundation on. The next thing you want is your concealer. So you want to grab a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your complexion. This is going to really brighten up and bring back the natural highlights to your skin. Now I like to go in with an OG product. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And when I tell you, this is probably one of my first concealers I've ever picked up. I love this concealer. I cannot go wrong with this concealer. It's super affordable. I believe it's around $6.99 now. Back when I used to get it, I think I got it for like $3.99, maybe even $2.99. But of course, things have been going up, unfortunately. Yeah, this has been an OG. It has never steered me away. It's always did me real good. So we're gonna use this in all of our highlighted areas today. Very straightforward, nothing too fancy about this 10-minute makeup look. So I'm just gonna apply some in the inner corners. And then I'm gonna take my damp beauty sponge and blend it out. Gonna apply some to my forehead as well, the middle of my nose. All right, so you guys could see that I have some lines of demarcation around where I applied the concealer. And with that, you want to go in with the butt end of your beauty sponge and blend out the edges. This is just going to get rid of that harsh line and really blend everything together. All right, to add some color to our skin, you want to go in with a cream blush. So I'm going to be going in with the Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Rose Romance. And I'm going to take just a little bit on the back of my hand. You don't want to go in with too much on your skin. And I'm going to take the butt end and just really dab that in on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to lightly dab that onto my skin. This is just going to bring back some color to our skin. I like to also apply some across my nose because we're not going to be doing too much contour today. Today is just going to be a really flattering, really nice flush of color type of look. All right, so now that we have all of our cream products down, we want to go in with some powder. Now the trick to this is to get a palette so that you are able to do multiple things with this one palette. So I'm going to be using my Essence Matte Bronzing Powder Palette, and this has 4 shades in it. So I'm going to be using this shade here to set all of my highlighted areas. I'm going to be using this shade here to set the rest of my face, and I'm going to be using this shade here to just add a bit of bronze to my skin. So the goal is to get a product that has multiple uses. All right, to set, I'm just going to go in with my powder puff, and we're just going to set all of those highlighted areas. And y'all, this powder palette was super affordable. I paid no more than $10 for it. All right, for the perimeter of my face, I'm going to go in with this shade here. You just want to lightly dab it on just the outer areas of your skin. All right, and then to quickly bronze up the skin, I'm just gonna go in with the deeper shade here. I'm just gonna take my blush bronzing brush, dust off the excess. I don't wanna go in with too much. And this is just going to give me a nice bronzy finish. And you could still see that cream blush peeping through, which is good. With bronzer, you want to brush it into your hairline, not out. This is just going to give you that gradient effect. So the complexion is complexioning, y'all. 10 minutes, trust me. All right, we're almost done. We have 3 more products to go. You pretty much have a natural base down. Now what you want to do is work on the eyes. So you want to go back in with your concealer and just conceal your eyelids. I'm just gonna blend that out. And then you could just go in with the powder puff and just set that in place. And I did take the powder that I use for my entire face. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara. Now I've been using the Olaplex Lash Serum, guys. I've never used a lash serum before, so this is the first time I'm actually putting on some mascara. I've been trying to avoid mascara. I wanna just have that wow effect on how good this Olaplex serum is. So let's see. How long has my lashes been growing? So this is 1 layer so far. Gonna apply some to my bottom. So this is the difference between this eye with the mascara and this one without it. And I must say I can see a difference with my lashes. All right, sis, so the next thing we're gonna go in with is our lip product. Now you wanna use something that is quick and easy to use. I'm a big gloss girl, so I like going in with some nice glosses, plumping glosses, clear. I love glosses with a tinge of pink, just something quick and easy to apply. So I'm going to be going in with my Essence Extreme Shine Volume Gloss. This is a lip plumping lip gloss. This is in the shade Flower Blossom, and it's just this cute baby pink lip gloss. All right, sis, last but not least, you want to go in with your setting mist. So I am going to be going in with my e.l.f. Stay All Night Setting Mist. This is the blue light version. They do have another one. I believe it's the micro fine version. So I'm just going to use this to set everything in place, and this is just going to ensure that my makeup lasts throughout the day. I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge and dab that in. All right, sis, so that is about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a quick 10-minute, very affordable makeup look that you can achieve if you are someone who is always running late or just wants a very quick and easy makeup look to achieve. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did finally do the latte makeup look, guys. So if you guys haven't checked out that video, I'll leave it on the screen here. You guys need to check that video out. I feel like I nailed it. So let me know what you guys think. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.